Hi, just a brief update on my D1 Green Laner. As everybody saw, I was going to use mountain bike suspension units, but I ran out of time quite simply. I've got bikes racking up. My Somerset trip, my bike, my C15 needs a bit of attention, and this is really only a Sunday afternoon job. But I've reverted back to the springs. You can see I've got competition risers here that rise the seat, take the angle out. Yeah, let's see if we can go for engine start. I'm going to have to fabricate a chain guard. I'm going to have to fabricate a mudguard bracket on the far side, but that has already started. And then it's a case of tidying up the old wiring that I've got on the bike and making it accessible. So all the wiring will have P-clips and exposed, so that should I have a requirement to repair the wiring, I can easily get to it. This is actually, you know, what green laning is about. I need to tidy this up. This is an upcycled C15 competition Speedwell alloy mudguard. I made these myself, as you saw in an earlier video. I need to work out a K&N for this, or at least a bell mouth with a gauze protecting it. I need to get my cover on. I need to adjust the clutch, but to be frank with you, it's nothing more than a morning's work. Anyway, that concludes my update. Let's see if we can get engine start, and we'll give her a run. So she runs. She needs a good tune-up and the carburetor setting. Unquestionably, the forks are not really up to the job. They twist and are far too flexible for riding. But this was always going to be a Sunday afternoon BSA Bantam hybrid for riding green lanes, byways open to all traffic, so I'm reluctant to spend any more money on her. D14's incredibly powerful compared to the D1. It's certainly got enough torque compared to the D1 for my green lane riding. It's now a case of tidying her up and dialing the carburetor in. Thanks for watching.